How to use Infinite Campus. Infinite Campus is an app that teachers, parents, and students can use to look at grades and assignments. Infinite Campus uses a grading scale that goes like this. 1 is a little or no mastery, 2 is partial mastery of target, 3 is meets expectations for target, and 4 is advanced. T is turned in, L is late, and M is missing. The Infinite Campus app looks like this for students. When you first open the app, it will look like this. You will need to put in a username and a password. The username is a number that will be given to you by one of your teachers, and your password is bears with an uppercase B, and then the last 4 numbers of that number you're given. Right as you log in, a screen like this will appear. It will show your daily schedule and assignments that are due that day and the next day. If you touch the 3 black bars on the top left corner of the screen, a screen like this will appear, and you can scroll through the different areas on the app. The next section you'll have is called Weekly Overview. It will show all assignments that you have that week. The next section is the assignment section. It will show all assignments that need to be turned in that year. The next section is the grades section. You shouldn't look at this section, but instead the assignment section for your grades. The next section is the gradebook updates. This one is like the grade section, except it will show the most recent scores put in. The next section is the attendance section. You won't look at this one very much, but it will show how many times you are tardy and absent. After that, there's schedule section. The schedule section shows what classes you have and what order they're in. The next section, the report section, is one that you won't use quite as much. You can see your report cards in here, and that's just about it. The responsive schedule is something I really don't know how it works, and we don't really use it. The next section, the message center, has 2 parts, the announcement and the inbox. They show basically announcements that the school has put up that are going to be used. The more section has just extra stuff like health and family information, and you really don't need to go there that much.